Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your existing account on the Shop Pay app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Shop Pay application on your device, and once it is opened up, you will be taken into the home page from which you can log into your account or sign up if you haven't done so already. Now tap on Get Started and you will be asked to choose either your Google account or enter your email address. Now if you created your account using your Google account, you can tap on the Connect Google button, or you can tap on Sign in with email if you signed up manually using an email. Then you can type in your email address within the email address box and tap on the Next button, and you will be asked to check your inbox. Just tap on the Open Email app button and now you will end up on your inbox. Just tap on the email that you received from Shop and then tap on the Sign in to Shop button. Once you tap on this button, you will directly be logged into your account on the Shop Pay app. Now if you tapped on Continue with Google, then you will simply be asked to tap on your Google account that you used while signing up to your Shop Pay account. After tapping on your Google account and then proceeding forward with the Allow button, you will successfully be logged into your existing account on the Shop Pay app, and now you can enjoy your shopping right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Shop Pay app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.